first entered the rehabilitation center, all the other Nikkeis came over and were sizing me up. What do you think I did when that happened? You really do understand me. Good. That's right. I did ignore them. At first. Afterward, I told them if they were so interested, they should come in for a closer look. Then I gave a big old squeeze. To every last one of them.